This video demonstrates how to add padding in CSS. So let's start. I'm starting out with some HTML. I have an H1 element and I have an image element. So let's go to CSS here and let's start by selecting the image. Then let's first let's put a border around the image so we can kind of see. Border 3px solid. I'll put gray. It's kind of boring, but gray. So put a border in here. All right. So now we see a gray border around our chameleon. Now let's add a. Now we add a padding. And padding. So the easiest way to add padding is to have it be the same in every direction. So let's just add 5px of padding and rerun that, and now you see the picture is the image is inside. There's a space here, that's that padding. In fact, I'm going to make these both bigger so they're easy to see. We'll do 10 pixels of border and 10 of padding, which may not be artistic, but it'll be easier to see. So now we have a 10 pixel border and 10 pixels of padding. I can also add a background color of I think green would look nice on this one. And so now I have it looks like almost like a double frame, right? The background color is green and then the border is gray. Okay, so now say I want to get creative and I want to have different amount of padding, and actually you do this a lot. In fact, maybe I should try it on the we'll do it here. So so I can change the padding. Now I'm going to go kind of around the clock. So first I'm going to do padding on the top, and so maybe I want a lot of padding on the top, so I'll do 10 pixels on the top. But maybe on the sides I only want 3 pixels of padding. So then I would do top and then right, and then the bottom I'll do 3px then too, and then the left side. It kind of goes around the clock, right? So now let's run that and see how it looks. And now you can see again I have numbers that are too small, you can't see, so I'm going to make these all bigger numbers so we can see the difference a little better. And we'll run that. And now you can see I have a bigger padding at the top. I'm not sure if artistically that would be a good idea, but it's just an idea. Or you could do bigger at the top on the side so that makes the picture a little offset. Oh, not 300. 300 would be huge. And run. And now you can see I have a different, I kind of moved my picture to this corner here, and I have a bigger padding here and here. Let's change that color to let's try black. Yeah, that looks like. So you can kind of see it. It kind of looks like more of a style. I'm going to change the border to green and see if it looks more intentional here. And you kind of can see I'm maybe trying to have like a style where I want to have larger padding here and a smaller padding there, and I can do that just by using the padding. By using the shorthand for padding. I could also do it like this. So I could do padding, this is very painful and slow, but you could do padding left of 30px to start. So now I only have padding on the left side, right? So I have like a line there. So then I could do padding right of 20px. So I can just only change the padding just in that one direction only. And sometimes I do that because I want to override the padding that's already there. And so sometimes I'll use a padding right. It's more specific, so it gets a higher priority in CSS. So that's how we add padding to our CSS.